Why risk management is really important when it comes to investing. Difference day trading versus long-term investing. Hello people, we are back with a new video on difference day trading versus long-term investing. Get ready for the new video and watch till the end to know best about the topic. Daily trading and investing are practical types of protection trading. Nevertheless, numerous distinctions make each strategy exceptional and worth executing. Individuals often choose to do both. Understand what all techniques are and what you will need to consider if you are choosing between them or considering trying both. Day trading. Day trading consists of buying or selling a resource in brief periods, such as seconds or minutes. For example, if the market cost of stock changes and a trader can benefit, they make the switch. All positions, buy or trade, are opened and closed at the same time as day trading. To legally trade stocks in the U.S., you will need to use the administrations of a trader. Agents expect you to maintain a daily account balance, called an edge. Trade guidelines issued by the U.S. Trade and Protection Commission express that all traders who trade multiple times 5 days must keep $25,000 on their edge record for direct trades. There is no legal minimum capital prerequisite for daily exchange on the money markets. However, it is ideal to start with $1,000. In case you need day trading prospects, help to start somewhere close to $5,000 and $7,500. Charges can hurt your benefits during day trading. For example, let's say your agent charges a commission of $7 per trade. In case you are trading $100 in stock, the commission would be a 7% charge deducted from any benefits you may make. Trading more is usually not less expensive. It helps you focus on expenses, the number of trades, and the value you are trading, so you can avoid losing money thinking you purchased it. On the off chance that you buy this inventory with the plan to sell it, you will accrue a $14 charge to buy and sell the inventory. Investors keep their protections and gain benefits by selling them when the market value changes for their potential benefit. They regularly save their resources for a long time. Long-haul investments are usually made on the stock exchange. Destinations have temporary dates, so they are not ideal for long-distance exchanges. There are a large number of stocks and exchange-traded assets, ETFs, to examine. If you are interested in cash trading but do not have the capital for daily trading, you can use cash ETFs to exchange long-term currency destinations and forms. Initial capital changes when choosing stocks or stock assets. Shared assets are piles of bits of various cheaper stocks you can buy. In any case, buying individual shares of a company or intermediary can be expensive. For example, a Class B serving of Berkshire Hathaway Inc. costs more than $290 in June 2021. A single Class 1 offering costs more than $400,000. One of the most cost-effective approaches to investing in the stock exchange is through shared assets or asset exchange. Charges can, in any case, accumulate with stocks and assets. For example, if you have the equivalent rate of $7 per $100 of shares, it would in any case be 7% of your capital. In any case, your $100 inventory would require a 14% revisit to cover currency exchange expenses. However, you have a much more ideal opportunity to acquire the amount than with day trading. You can reduce the measure of money you spend on trades by using shared assets or ETFs that track records, such as the Standard & Poor's 500 S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a summary of the 500 best-performing stocks and is overseen by S&P Global. The supports that accompany the decline, for the most part, have a low turnover of resources, which can reduce their expenses and charges. Numerous small purchases will expand your expenses. Commissions do not occupy a particularly colossal level of your capital for every purchase or deal. Day trading versus investing. Day trading and investing require enthusiasm to be fruitful. This means that you will have the option of defeating the fear of misfortune or the energy of gains for as long as you have given yourself. The dynamic interaction for a one-day trade may not be quite the same as an extended investment. There are several skills and character qualities required for each technique. The critical distinction between the two is that day trading needs more consideration for the length of the day, where investing requires less observation and a lot of persistence over the long haul. You will do well as a day trader if you have the chance to enjoy the transitional hardships and discover the freedoms to make small benefits during the day. You must also have the opportunity saved to zero in the trade. In case you don't have the tolerance to wait a year or more for returns, you may find day trading to be seriously involved. On the off chance that you don't want to trade every day, but enjoy a set and neglect attitude, investing might be better for you. You must be patient and have the option to follow your agreement during market slumps. What are the time horizons for each method? Time changes depending on what you are trying to achieve. Generally, day trading takes some dynamic time each day, while investing consistently takes some dynamic time. Day trading. Day trading requires a daily responsibility, regularly of at least 2 hours. The prime time when U.S. markets are allowed to trade for the most part is probably the best ideal opportunity to profit from big value moves. As midday approaches in New York, the stock movement will generally calm down. The time you spend on any of the attempts depends on what you are trying to achieve. Your absolute responsibility for time should be around 15 hours each week at the low end and up to 40 hours each week at the top of the line in case you are trading most of the day. In the U.S. market, the most dynamic time for stocks, currency patterns, and prospects is close to the market start time each morning. On the other hand, business sectors around the world will also be generally dynamic, in particular currency standards and European equities, close to the European Open. Investing. Investing as much time as possible, and taking the exam that goes into it should always be possible, regardless of whether you work long hours in an office. By the time you're ready to buy stocks, expect to put in 2 or 3 hours a month in the hopes of discovering which ones follow your procedure. First, finding or carrying out an investment procedure will take additional time. Some groups decide to be more dynamic, devoting several hours a week to investigating, especially with the possibility that they have a lot of capital and are looking for countless opportunities. A defined and neglected investor may only have to do a little analysis or keep an eye on their investments at regular intervals, possibly when they are ready to make another purchase. Day trading. You can earn 0.5% to 3% in very good quality every day. That may not sound like much, but it can be compared to something in the range of 10% to 60% for each benefit month. Better yields can be conceived on more modest registries, but returns tend to fall to less than 10% each month as the size of the registries increases. With day trading, earnings accumulate quickly. For example, with the chance that you start with $30,000 and earn 10% each month, you will have $33,000 to start the next month. On the chance to win 10% again, you will have $36,300. In case you earn 10% every month for a year, you will end up with around $95,000. The bottom line: day trading is a fantastic method to bring cash on hand on the chance that you have the underlying capital and the expected time to make the trades you need every day. However, it also requires a strong desire to bring money into the stock exchanges and a great danger to the board system. Investing in the same way comes with different degrees of risk, but overall it is safer than day trading for retail and new investors. If you have less money anyway and don't want to trade every day, investing might be the best decision. We have tried to cover everything in this short video. Still, if you think something is missed, then do mention it in the comment box. Your thoughts and ideas matter the most. So farewell till the next video. Bye family.